Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Garden. Just wanted to show you my couple of trees that have taken off since the cool down period of August. Look at this Oro Negro avocado. Just look at her. She has really taken off since the weather cooled down. She is a grafted tree, and we had her for 2 years. Well, we're going on 2 years, basically. She made it last winter. I had left her out there and forgot to protect her, and she made it last winter. So let's hope she makes it this winter. And she was actually in a pot last winter and a lot smaller. So we are going to protect her this winter. And that's my Oro Negro. And this seedling. This is just a regular seedling avocado. I don't actually know which one this is because it was given to me, but look at her take off. Look at that avocado go. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. The Pickering is doing very good. The Pickering Mango. Look at that Pickering Mango take off. She's actually did good all summer. But you know, we gave her topping and she's already spread it back. This is where we had topped her right there. And look at her come out. So that's the Pickering Mango right here. Another mango tree that actually took off is this Valencia Pride right here. Look at her go. I hope she actually makes it this winter. We thought we lost her last winter because we had to cut her down, but we cut her down. She was still way above the graft, and so she's blooming out there. And I actually do nothing with these mangoes. With these mango trees, I actually ignore them. I don't do anything with them because it seems like they just do better if you go ahead and ignore them. That is the Valencia Pride. I mean, look at her. She's just gone. So right here, I'm moving all of this stuff right here. So if the Valencia Pride can make it, she can have this area. So that's the Valencia Pride. Now let me tell you about my troubled mango right here. And that's Fruit Punch. Fruit Punch has given me trouble since I've had her. Look at her. Okay, I'm surprised she made it through the winter. Nevertheless, now the summer, she has just been giving me trouble. I mean, just look how pitiful she look. The ends were turning black. We had to chop them. She looks so pitiful. And she's in a 27 gallon. Well, let me see what size this is. No, she's in a 45 gallon. She's in a 45 gallon container. And, you know, she's trying to do something, so we'll see. She's the most troubled mango tree I've ever had. And another one right here, that's a good mango tree, is that ice cream mango. All right. So, the ice cream mango, she lasted. She made it. This is her going on her third winter right here. The ice cream mango. And basically I didn't protect her last winter. Or actually the winter before neither. And she obviously can just take hold. She can. I am going to protect her this winter. I don't know if I really want to protect her because I haven't protected her and she did well. And if I go to protect her, then she may not do well. So we'll see how cold it gets. But I do have stuff ready for her in case she does need protection. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring this video to a close. If you like my video content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with other like fruit gardeners as ourselves. Have a peaceful day. Goodbye.